Hello everyone, this is Farhan from farhanreviews.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a new product called Vanquish. Okay, this is the members area, the training area of Vanquish, and there's also an app to access, but what I'll do, I'll show you the full demo after I show you the sales page and the bonus page. So this is the sales page. They've got a VSL here to go through, you can watch that. Read all the text here. There's a lot of detail. It's quite a long sales page, but this is the creator Jono and his partner Mike. They're both top marketers, and they go through why this training and this system is really useful, how you can really make a lot of high ticket affiliate commissions. But I'll let you read that in your own time. Let me show you this is my review page. So I go through the basic features of Vanquish, how you can use it to make money. I show you the app itself, and I go through all the pricing. So the front end training is just $12.97, and this covers the how to set up YouTube ads and how to search for videos, and also there's an app, so you get full access to the app as well as the training for just $12.97. The OTO one is Vanquish Pro, which is $67, and there is a downsell to $47. OTO 2 is the Done For You campaigns, $97 down to $77. OTO 3 is 3 more funnels plus limitless traffic, $197 downsell to $97. And OTO 4 is another 4 apps where you get full reseller license, $197 downsell to $97. After you watch my demo, if you're ready to buy, click any of these green and orange buttons on my site or my review page, and you'll be taken straight to the purchase screen, and you'll get all my bonuses, which I'll discuss in a second. So this is where I discuss the main features of the front end training. I go through the upsells and the benefits and features. This is my conclusion. So I asked, is it worth it? And I think it is worth it. Because for under $13 you get a training from an expert in marketing and YouTube ads, and you get the videos and training, and you get all the basic setup, and you get an app. But you'll see that in the demo shortly. The apps are also worth it, especially if you need bonuses and things. The OTO 4 for $197 or downsell $97, you can pick up 4 reseller licenses and you can give them away as bonuses. Okay, so these are my bonuses for this. So bonus 1 is you get full access to JavaScript commission bot, so you can get traffic from Twitter and Instagram. It's a Chrome extension. Full access to Gemini Pro version. It's a 3-in-1 software suite. It's like a full email autoresponder with a squeeze page and everything included. Bonus 3 is access to insurgency license rights even. This is a full video training course on how to drive massive traffic to your pages and offers. Bonus 4 is a collection of 2,500 plus email swipes. These are highly effective, proven email swipes that you can just copy and paste into your email autoresponders. And bonus 5 is all the vendor bonuses. So like I said, click on any of these buttons on the page. You'll be taken straight to the product page, and then you can purchase it there, and all these bonuses will be delivered straight away to your email inbox free of charge. Hope you enjoy the product demo. Thank you. In this part of the review, I'm going to go through a demo of the application and also show you all the training. So this is the main training area. You've got a full video walkthrough here, so this is very important. It is almost 23 minutes. This is the basis of the whole training, the whole course, and the whole method. And also there's another video here on how to get $90 free ad spend on the Google YouTube ads. And also once you've watched the walkthrough video, you can you can make an account to use the Vanquish app. And also you need groove pages. Now I recommend that you go to lifetimegroovefunnels.com and just create a free account there. That is essential for this training. So let me show you the app itself. So this is the Vanquish app. Now what you'll do with this is you'll find YouTube videos, you'll create your opt-in pages, then find YouTube videos to place your adverts on. Let me show you a sample page. So this is a page I made earlier. Let me just make a new one and show you how it works. So enter your campaign name. So for example, if you're promoting one of Jono's courses, Ministry of Freedom, you enter Ministry of Freedom here, you choose the offer, you put in your buy button link, so that'll be your affiliate link, and then you can alter the color of the button. So if you want a green button, just change the colors there, change the font and the text size and so on. Then you press proceed and it will create a page for you. This is your page. So what that page looks like is this. See, this is the page that I created, Furhan/MOF. So a visitor comes along, watches this video, and then I'll just show you, I'll put it on mute. So when they're about halfway through, so let me see, it's 57. Okay, see this button pops up? This button is your affiliate link. So if they purchase this product after watching this video, you'll get the high ticket affiliate commission. So you're looking at hundreds of dollars. Let me just pause this. So now, let me go back to the training. So where the unlimited groove funnels comes into it is, you click on opt-in page links, and you click on one of these links. Oops, okay, it's fine. So this is a nice simple opt-in page, and what you do, they teach how to copy all this entire page and stick it into groove funnels. Sorry, put it open here. So this is a blank groove funnels page. So what you would basically do is copy all of the source code for that page, that same page, and then you paste it into groove funnels with source code. That's pasted, save, and that's it. It took me seconds. So now I've got my own opt-in page. And then you publish this. You can put it on your own domain, or just temporarily host it with them if you want to. If you've got a custom domain, you can put it in there. So let me just put in here, Vanquish demo. Publish. Here's the URL. So I go to the URL now. It's published, and this is an actual live page. So if they enter the email address here, you'll build up your own email list. And also, if they go through and watch the video and they purchase it, you'll make high ticket affiliate commission. Now what this is all about is how to use the Vanquish system to create YouTube ads, find videos to post ads on, create YouTube ads, and make high ticket affiliate commissions. So let me show you the YouTube section. So if you enter a keyword here to search for a video to put ads on, so make money online. So it goes through, it searches the videos that you can place ads on, because not everyone allows you to place ads on them. And you can go and you can see the likes, dislikes, how many views, how many comments. So a good active video is what you want. You can go through the list and select individually, or you can just select all. And now you're presented with a whole list of these videos. So you can't do control it. Okay, you have to go up, select them, or you can do export links. And then when you go into the training, it will show you how to set up YouTube ads. So it will show you how to set up the actual ads itself, and how to promote these high ticket offers and use the free page that you made to make yourself some affiliate commissions. Let me just close this. Okay, it shows you all about ads, how to pay as little as possible. You can make hundreds of dollars for literally pennies. And in a nutshell, that is Vanquish. So Vanquish is a full training course. It shows you how to use Groove pages to set up free pages on free hosting, how to copy their own opt-in pages and to make them your own, how to promote their products and make some really high ticket commissions, and also how to build up your own email list, and also how to publish YouTube ads, how to pay as little as possible, and how to really generate your target audience using the tools within Vanquish. So I hope you enjoyed the review, hope you found it helpful, and click on the link in the description below. If you want more information about GrooveFunnels, go to lifetimegroovefunnels.com and get a free account. At the moment it's still in beta, so they're offering a free lifetime account. But I'll have another video out soon where you can upgrade and get the full package like I have. It's quite expensive, but if you think about how much ClickFunnels and so on costs, this is a bargain because what they've got coming is amazing. But that's for another video. For now, Vanquish, click on the link below and I'll see you in the next video.